Hey feds, this question came from a workshop just today. And this person about their TSP wanted to know if they can, in retirement, change from the C fund to the F fund, or, just change it up. Can you change your money into different funds in retirement? And the answer is yes, you can. Absolutely. When you retire, you can't add any more money to your TSP, but it can still grow. It can keep growing. You can leave it there and it can still continue to grow. That's one of the great things about the TSP after retirement, is that if you want it to continue to grow, you can. Now, is it the best way for it to grow? Again, that's another question you need to answer, and I can't tell you yes or no on that. That is completely up to you, but that is something that you will want to figure out. But there are things that you can still continue to do in the TSP. Some people will want to keep money in the TSP still. There are reasons for that. Some of you will not want to keep money in the TSP, and there are reasons for that. You just have to figure out, when I retire, not only what should I do with my money when I retire, but what should I do with my money in my retirement? It's not, because we're not just figuring out what do you get when you retire. We need to figure out, what does your whole retirement look like? The time frame from retirement to when you pass away. Do you have enough money? What rules apply when? And what strategies should you use one compared to another? So please don't think in terms of, when I retire, this is what I need to do. Think of, when I retire, I need to do this, but things change, and then later on I'll need to do this and this, and have a strategy for it all. It'll make a huge difference. If you would, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and come to one of our workshops and learn a lot more.